Hey everyone, Taylor here with Neville Motors, taking you for a walk around this 2016 Buick LaCrosse front wheel drive. Seen here in a really great looking graphite gray color, this vehicle boasts dual exhaust, as well as HID headlights, LED taillights, a massive trunk in here. You can see the original mats are still right there in the bag. Oops. There we go. Looking down the side of the vehicle, you'll notice no dings or dents. All four wheels are in absolutely great shape. This really is a sharp looking vehicle. Now this vehicle does have LED daytime running lamps, as well as HID light or headlights, I should say, that are adaptive, which mean as you turn corners, they are gonna turn with the road. Looking in the interior, it is in absolutely great shape. No rips or tears or funky smells. Door panel as well. As we look at the window switch controls, we do also have your memory seat right there, as well as one-touch automatic windows and power mirrors. One of my favorite features on this vehicle, not only having fog lights, is the fact that this has heads-up display. I'll show you what that means here in just a second. Oops. If you look, let's see if we can see it, right there in the windshield, it actually is going to show you different data. There we go. Projected right there on the center screen. That is configurable, so if you do want to switch to different modes, what you're watching on the radio, different things like that, feel free at any time. Below there then, we do have our steering wheel controls. This also is going to have crash response or collision alert. So in case a person or a car comes out in front of you, you are alerted there. Then the center screen, of course, is going to be Buick standard. Center screen giving you audio, phone, projection, meaning that you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Pandora radio, OnStar, and OnStar navigation. Dual zone climate can be found on both sides, as well as up here at the top, we have your lane keep assist and your parking sensor controls. The engine, the 3.6 liter V6, is paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission with a shifter mounted right there in the middle. The back seat does have plenty of room for your guests and yourself. It also then has dual zone air for your guests and rear passengers. This vehicle is certified, meaning that it'll also give you 12,000 miles of bumper-to-bumper coverage, making your ownership experience as simple and efficient and easy as possible. If you or someone you know is interested in this 2016 Buick LaCrosse, please feel free to reach out at 715-256-2900 or check us out online at nevillemotorsgm.com. Thanks.